is an exciting day. I just got my Hobonichi order and I'm so excited to open up this box, show you what I got. I'm not gonna lie, this year I don't know what happened. I think I kind of maybe blanked out and I spent quite a bit of money. So I'm very excited to show you everything that I got, how I'm going to use everything, and just talking through all the goodies that I got. So if you're ready, let's just jump right in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stappo and I share with you simple and practical tips to live a happier life. And here is my obsession stationery, which I know is why you're here as well. I did open up the box beforehand just because I want to take everything out to do the unboxing so there's less sound with the crinkling and the packaging, etc. However, it looks as though there's so much in here that there's the Hobonichi box inside plus all the goodies. So I figured I'm just going to do a video where I show you everything really in real time, how I'm opening everything, what I'm getting out of the box, talking through it all. Now I did order everything with my sister just to share the shipping costs because shipping it to Canada costs a lot. If you spend a certain amount of money, then you get free shipping, but that certain amount is actually still quite high. So we ended up spending about $200 each. A lot more than I planned on spending and a lot more than I've ever spent in one go on stationery, but most of the stuff is justified. Some stuff was not, but that's okay. So let's just get into it. Kind of forgot everything that we got, but then I opened the, anyway, I just got really excited about everything. So yes, I spent a lot, but I also feel I'm going to make really good use of everything. So the first thing that I got that I really did not quite need, but I'm very excited about is the Stappo pouch. Now, the reason that I got this is because although I like my pencil case, it's not as practical as I thought it would be for leaving my stationery, my pens and pencils and everything on my desk. So I decided to treat myself to get this little beauty. So my plan is to be able to have all the stationery that I'm using on a weekly basis, daily basis, to have it all accessible at my desk. That way it's a lot easier to reach for. So to have all the post-its, the few stickers that I use. In a given month, I will stick to one theme with the washi tape and the pens and the colors that I use. So to be able to rotate through my stationery, because I have my little drawer with everything, and then leaving on my desk the things that I use on a daily basis to have them more accessible. And then to be able to put some pins on here, make it all cute. And that way it's a lot nicer to leave this on my desk. So that is the purpose of this. Did I need it? Not really. Am I happy I got it? Yeah, I am. I really, really am. What I liked about this versus the smaller pouch is that it is, the fabric first I like better, and there's a lot more versatility in terms of how much I can put in here. I also like that I could really just put my daily journal in here if I really wanted to. Anything else that I want, I can put in here as well, and it's just more versatile. And then the pencil case that I have now will be used for things like when I go to the coffee shop to do some journaling. That'll be more my transportable thing. The other thing also, this is me justifying, okay? The other reason I wanted something like this is whenever I come and journal in the living room, which is where I am now, it's nice for me to have transport everything from my office to my living room just to make it easier for me to have everything so I can have more versatility in being able to journal everywhere else in my house. Is that a justification? Yeah, probably, but that's okay. I'm okay with it. I work hard and it's nice to be able to treat myself to something that I didn't quite need, but that I only wanted. So I will probably film a video of me putting things in it and showing you what I'm going to keep on hand. So if you're interested, let me know and I can share that with you as well. So that's the first thing and I'm really excited about it. I feel like because I'm unboxing this, I'm not like taking it in as much as I would usually if I'm doing it in the quiet and just more mindful, but I'm very excited about this. So that's number one. The next thing that I saw, so this is for my sister, so I won't open it up, but she got a pouch because she wanted to keep her documents on hand, especially when she goes to the office or whatever else, to be able to put some documents, some letters, and just make it a nicer, more professional way to transport documents, etc. So that is purpose of this little guy. Also, to be fair, we wanted to just get to the limit to be able to get free shipping, but she still has some use for it. So at least it's not a complete waste. So this is for my sister. Then we have these two guys, which, yeah, this is another one. Did I need these? No. I'm happy we got it. Yeah, 1000%. So me and my sister are only like a year apart, 14 months. So we like to get matching things. The older we get, the more we want to have things the same. You know, as kids, you just don't want to be the same as your sister, but now we're just like obsessively getting things that are matching to the point where we have even like outfits that match, which honestly is really cute and fun. So I'm happy with it. Anyway, so this is a little pouch. I think this is going to be another one of those things where I use to transport my stationery, my pens, etc. when I go. This is supposed to attach to the Hobonichi Cousin, I believe. I think you can make it smaller. I just have to adjust the straps. I'm not sure if I'd use it exactly like that. I might just keep this flat, but I honestly mainly thought that the fabric was really cute and this nice little ribbon. Just, oh, I didn't realize that there's also a little separator. So that's really practical as well. So you have space to put your pens, etc. It is quite spacious. I'm sure you can fit quite a bit. And it's a really just nice print just to make it a little different. And you can hook it on to your journal like this. That way when you're going out and about already on your journal, and when you put it in your bag, then at that point, it just keeps your bag organized. Do you like I'm justifying my purchases? I have nothing to justify. I think I just feel bad spending this much money, but here we are. Love stationery. I'm trying to be more mindful of my expenses. However, I am able to justify these things. I haven't spent that much on stationery this year, and honestly, I had a lot of fun doing it. So it is what it is. So that's number 2. This is mine. This is my sister's. So very excited about this. Next thing, I think this is going to be a mix of things for my sister and myself. So I got, so this is for my sister. She got, well, I think you can understand what she got. Hint, hint. I decided to get these jot books for my Hobonichi Cousin because I feel as though even though my Hobonichi Cousin right now is a functional planner, and I've also given myself the space to be able to do brain dumps and write down ideas because I don't use every single page of the planner. Like on weekends, I don't necessarily use it for a daily planner, but I do a lot of brain dumps. However, there are times where it would be nice to have an extra space if I need to like rework a to-do list or just brainstorm ideas before I put it in here. So it's kind of like a brain dump extension if needed, but I didn't want a full huge journal. So that's why I decided to get these jot books, which is exactly why my sister got them as well for her weeks. I think I influenced her, which is fine. I think that because I use my planner a lot more, she wanted some advice in terms of what planner to get, and we ended up deciding for her to get the weeks just for her needs. I think it would fit, but for myself, I'm sticking to the Hobonichi Hobonichi Cousin for the 3rd year, which I'm excited about. And this is a nice little addition. I feel like it was helpful in terms of my needs. I figured it is thin enough, and of course I love the paper as well. It's thin enough that I can just put it in the back of my cousin and have everything in one. So I think this was a good purchase because it's not even that expensive. And I also, again, I think for us stationery lovers, it is worth investing a little bit more on quality stationery, and I find the paper really enjoyable to use. And even though it might be just for a brain dump or whatever else, I will just enjoy the experience a lot more. These are the little joys in life that I think are really valuable and important to appreciate and enjoy. And yes, I spend money, but I make use of these things and they bring me a lot of joy. So now let's get into this box. I'm particularly excited about this. So my journal and planner system is already a little bit overloaded, if I'm not gonna lie. I have been doing monthly system reviews to share with you how things are going, and there are a few things I think I'm going to be changing for the next year. However, I have been thinking about a 5-year journal for a long time because I just like the concept of it, and honestly, I'm really happy I ended up buying this, especially because of the size, because I think it's going to be a lot easier to keep up with. So this is the 5-year daily journal, and now that I'm seeing it, I'm getting so excited about it. It's so cute. I love this size, although I'm happy I didn't get this size for my daily planner. Oh my god, let me just take a moment here. It's so cute. I'm so happy I bought this. I love the idea of, you know, doing whatever every day, writing down a sentence, writing down, sticking a picture or whatever else it is as a way to keep memories. I just love that idea. And then like in 4 years, I'll look back and I'll be able to see what happened that day. So I'm a bit worried I can't keep up with it, but I think it's a nice way for me to create space every day to do my journaling. I already have my morning journaling down packed, and I think in the evening, this would be a cute little addition of journaling to do. And honestly, I'm so happy I bought it. Also, can we just talk about how cute this box is. Can we just take a moment for the packaging? It is so adorable. So I'm super excited I got this. It was definitely worth the money. So I can't wait to use it in January and to see how I make use of it, what I include in it, etc. Very excited that I got this. So that's really, really fun. Then let's move on to this big boy. So definitely excited about this as well. I think we're clear now at this point that I have a Hobonichi Cousin, so I went with buying another one. I need to get scissors for this. So I think we are clear at this point that I got a Hobonichi Cousin because it's my third year doing it, and I really love it a lot. Oh my god, I forgot I got this. That's so exciting! This was one of those expenses where I needed to add a bit of expenses to save like $50 of shipping. So technically I spent a little bit more on getting more stuff versus just spending it on shipping. Next year I'll consider getting everything from a Canadian website instead of Hobonichi because it was quite expensive, but I'm happy I did it this year. It's fine. So these are just stickers, which I've been using a lot for doing creative journaling, and I just really liked. I love the stamp look. So no, I didn't need this, but I forgot that I have it. So I'm really excited about it. That's a fun little surprise that I forgot. So yay for that. My sister got the Hobonichi Weeks. We went with this pattern for her because she loves lavender purple, and these pictures on top is super cute. I'm not going to open it because it's hers, but I'm really excited for her to use it. We discussed her planner needs and decided that this would fit the bill versus the Hobonichi Cousin, also in terms of size, in terms of the length, everything else. The Hobonichi Weeks didn't work for me, but I think it'll work for her. If you're still unsure about how to pick a planner, I have a video where I walk you through how to think through what planner to get. So I have a separate video for that if you're interested in watching that, to give you a better idea of what planner will fit your needs to test out. This I'll open after because we got freebies. So this is the cover she got with her Hobonichi Weeks. I also got the same for mine, as you can see here. Then I also got these little pouches, which I think are very, very cute. Honestly, this year I went a lot more outside of my comfort zone of getting just like minimal, no pattern, neutral colors of things. I think I'm stepping into a new era of embracing patterns and colors, which is kind of fun. But basically the reason why I got these is that, I don't know if you noticed before when I was showing you my Hobonichi Cousin, that in the back I end up having a lot of like stuff, like receipts like from my acupressurist, or receipts from the pharmacy, or like a business card that I need to keep for the whatever. So I decided that I would get also these thin pouches that I can put in the back and kind of organize the documents a little bit better, just to keep my journal a little bit more streamlined and organized. I also thought these are just really beautiful patterns. I thought this one I really like, especially with the little girl with the dove. So that is the purpose of these, and yeah, I'm happy I got them. They're very, very cute. Then I have the Hobonichi Cousin. So I don't need to open this just yet because I want to enjoy opening something in the quiet, but this is my third Hobonichi Cousin and I'm honestly really excited about it. I can't imagine myself using another planner, although I'll look into some other options that I've noticed recently, but I am excited about getting it again. Instead of using this cover that I got from Etsy, which is a faux leather cover, which I love very much, but I've been building up a lot of stickers lately that I feel like I want to put stickers on the cover of the Cousin and then putting on the clear cover instead, and then I can see which one I prefer, because then I can also switch it out and put the cover of the other one on it anyway. So I figured it will give me options, but that is why I got this cover for it, although it seems kind of big for it, so, or maybe it'll be fine. We'll see. I didn't realize, yeah, it seems kind of big. Hopefully I got the right one, but my Hobonichi Cousin, very excited about that. I am planning on doing a setup for my Hobonichi Cousin, so make sure to subscribe if you want to watch that video. I'm going to put in all my stickers, plan ahead, and just do my monthly spreads, some of my weekly spreads ahead of time as well, just to have everything set up to make my planning system process for 2025 a lot more streamlined. So make sure to watch that when that comes out next. And then my sister got, I'm the little sister, she's the big sister, so I got the baby version and she got the big version of the 5-year journal. She doesn't have as many journals as I do. I already have a daily journal that's a B6 size, and I figured this one is small enough that it's okay in terms of adding it to my lineup, but she doesn't, so then the bigger size made sense for her. So see, I think it's valuable in terms of when you're getting new use stationery, making sure it does still make sense within your lifestyle, within what you're looking for, etc., to still think it through a little bit. So yeah, that's my little advice of the day as I'm showing you how much stuff that I bought. And then we each got a pen for our purchases. I can't remember. I think you get a free journal for each Techo that you get, which means that I get 2 of them and my sister gets 1. I don't want to open all 3 of them, but I'm excited to see which patterns we got. So I might take a peek at 2 of them to see, and then we can always switch it up. I just want her to get the experience of also opening things up as well. So the first one that I have here is beautiful. I love this, and the paper is still really nice. Now that I think of it, I could have just used this as my brain dump, but that's okay. So we have this one as the first one. This one is the exact same, so I'm not gonna open that in case she wants that one. And then this one hopefully is different, because otherwise that would be really boring. It's the exact same one. So I don't know why they would send 3 of the same pattern. I know it's supposed to be random, but they should have probably still thought of that. Okay, so that's not ideal, but it's okay. Maybe I'll give it to my older sister or something. So we got 3 of the same color notebook. I'm still happy with it. It's still very cute, but I think there was another pattern that I liked a little bit better, but it's fine. It's not like it's gonna be a big deal. Anyways, so that is all I got for my Hobonichi haul. I will film a planner journal and planner system update very soon, as well as a Hobonichi Cousin setup. And I'm hearing that a lot of people are wondering how to use their daily spreads in their Hobonichi Cousin. So let me know if you're interested in seeing a more close-up perspective into how I use my daily pages in my Hobonichi Cousin, because I feel like I love the system that I have right now, and it's a functional system that I use. Otherwise, let me know if you have any specific requests on what to share about my planner, about my journal system. I love to share these things to inspire you and help, and just share how I've been using my journal and planners to inspire you to do the same. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you a lot of love. Bye for now.